Thank you.
Cola! Ricola!
Who the hell saying that shit?
Ricola!
Hey, you! Hey, you!
What?
What the hell you doing down there saying that Ricola bull crap? Get up here!
Ricola! I'm the Ricola boy.
You're a damn Smith brother.
I'm not a Smith brother. I'm a Ricola boy. It pays better.
You're bullshit. We went through this one time, son. We was a Smith brother.
I'm a Smith brother?
We smell Smith Brothers cough drops.
No, Ricola. It's much better.
No, no, look at us. Look at your beard, boy.
Smith Brothers, we use byproducts of,
I'm gonna have to kick some sense into you,
No!
son of a bitch.
No! Smith Brothers use byproducts of Jerry Curl.
What the hell's wrong with you, you
shit.
stupid mother son of a bitch?
Ricola is much better. Plus, they pay better, too.
Smith Brothers.
Ricola!